What's up, guys? Academy of Champions here, Professor Mari. Let's record some videos here, make some videos explaining how to escape of the situation of kidnapping using the seat belt to show to the person. But let's go, let's start here.
Hey, give me your money, man.
Oh my gosh, no. I don't have money. I don't have money.
Here, get out the car.
Right.
Out the car.
Just a second, just a second.
Turn around. Ollie, get in. Get in. Don't do anything stupid.
Calm down, calm down.
Keep your hands right here. Put them on the dash.
Right. This situation, guys, could be like he can, we can fasten the seat belt or not. Doesn't matter. You know, seat belt. Now, Marcel is driving the car. He's gonna stretch a little bit, or he can keep his gun, but most of the time he's gonna hide his gun or put it. Here's is a good scenario for me. I can have a good chance to escape. Okay. Way like here, palm towards the tongue up. Then I go reach his seat belt. Here, now my other hand go and grab the same seat belt, both toes up. Okay, guys, I go and choke him. Okay, guys, here, guys, I will hide myself behind him. I will make him as an airbag, because if he's driving, it's gonna happen the accident. Okay, now my target is easier to see there. He's wearing the seat belt. Then I go the same situation here and go all the way. That's the belt. You go all the way there. See? And now I choke anyway with the seat belt. Right?
Time to get out the car. Yes. Get in the back. Your face for me.
Oh.
Nice.
Or even the back choke. I go all the way and lock as a rear neck choke.
Oh, man.
Now it's so tight. As I told you, Brandon, you're going to defend your neck here. Then you let go your gun. Professor Mike can grab the gun, or I can choke you out. Okay? Driving.
Hey,
Oh my gosh.
I need a ride.
All right. Buddy. Yeah, where's the address? I don't know exactly the address. Any place here, the address. And then I go right away and. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Thank you.